Hello everyone. Multiple product selection app helps user to select multiple product line in the sales order, purchase order, delivery order, and as well as in the invoice. User can add a multiple product in order line by single click only on the draft state. Now, after installing this module, let's get into an purchase where you can see a new option to create a new order. And here in this page, user can see an option named add multiple products. Once you click on that, it will show an wizard where we can add and multiple products by selecting each and every product. Okay. Now let's select the product, and here you can see two options. One is and cancel, another one is and confirm. Now let's click on the confirm option to add those products in the purchase order line. Like the same way, you can see the same on the sales where you can create a new sales order. At that time, you can add in multiple product by clicking on the add a line option which is available here. Now I'm going to add in multiple product as same as purchase. Now here you can see the confirmation option where it will add those product in this particular order line. Like the same way, you can see the same on the transfers. So let's get into and transfer, or let's create a transfers from here. Okay, now here you can see by adding in multiple products. So here let's add and types, and also you can see the multiple product add a line option to add multiple products into the transfer. Now let's confirm. So here you can see that that product that we have selected will be added here. Now like the same way, we have the same on the delivery too. So let's get into the delivery order. Let's create one new delivery order. Here we need to add the name, and here you can see add multiple products. So here we can add multiple products by selecting and each and every product like the same way that we have did before. And now confirm that, you can see that confirm list of products will be added in the delivery order line too. And we can see the same on the invoices as well. Let's create one new invoice where you can see and add multiple products line where you can add and multiple product as same as before. Okay. Now clicking on the confirm option, it will add the product in the invoice order line. Same way, we can create the same on the bill as well. We can add multiple products in the bills as well. Okay. By selecting each and every product, we can make use of this to add and multiple products in the bills. So in this way, we can make use of this module to select in multiple product in the sales order, purchase order, delivery order, as well as in the invoice order line. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about an inventory related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated inventory features that we have. Thanks for watching.